Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here's an email from an employee from the head office to another. This is to inform you that the office will be closed 14th August, 16th August. 17th August, the branch office will be open 2 p.m. All cash deposits will be done 12 p.m. 2 p.m. This time, no one will be allowed to leave the branch premises. In case of any questions, please reach out to me on 222-222. Did you notice that if the right prepositions are not used, the email does not convey the right message? To avoid these mistakes in this video, we will learn about prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are used to talk about a specific time period. For example, a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Let's take a look at a few common prepositions of time and how to use them. After is used to talk about an activity which will follow another activity. For example, I will call you after work, or let us go out after work. Never end a sentence with after. For example, I will call you after. Use later at the end of the sentence if you do not want to give the caller a specific time. For example, I will call you later, or let's go out later. Use later and add a word about time like day, week, month, or year to talk about an unspecified time in the future. For example, I will finish the project later this week, or we will go on vacation later this year. Use ago to talk about the past. For example, I went to school 10 years ago, or I met him 6 months ago. Use before to talk about a time earlier than the event being spoken about. For example, I have breakfast before I leave for work, or I have to reach the bank before 9 a.m. Use by for one specific event that will happen before a certain time in the future. For example, share the report by Monday, or courier the applications by 1 p.m. Use until for an event that will continue and then stop at a certain time in the future. For example, he is in Mumbai until the 30th, or they will fast until sunset. To talk about two separate events that happen at different times in the same sentence, use from and to define the beginning and the end of a time period. For example, the park is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. or the movie is from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Use from and till to talk about a specific point in time. For example, I studied Sanskrit from 2001 till 2004, or Sachin Tendulkar played cricket for India from 1989 till 2012. Use since to talk about a specific point of time. For example, I have waited since 10 a.m. or we have lived there since 2008. Now that you know how to use prepositions of time, let us review the email. Since you have to inform them about the duration of the office being closed, use from 14th August to 16th August. Write on 17th August since you are writing about a specific date. Use until 2 p.m. since after that the branch will be closed. Use from 12 p.m. till 2 p.m. since the activity of cash deposits will be available only during that time. We hope you have now understood how to use prepositions to talk about an action or event in relation with time.